Did you know there's a pickle shortage? I didn't either, and I just found out. And you want to know why? Let's talk. So all the world events have created shortages that you wouldn't believe. I see it every day. Some of those shortages are plastic, glass, and corrugated boxes. And you want to know why? Because of the world events. What has happened is everybody has turned to the e-commerce, and they're buying a lot of their goods online. And as a result, there are shortages, especially in the corrugate industry. What's happening in the corrugate industry is you are getting boxes from Amazon or from your food supplies, wherever it is you choose to buy your goods, and there is less recycling going on. Like when the manufacturers are buying their stuff and putting it out on the shelf for you, they are recycling their boxes. So that has created a shortage. There's also a glass shortage. You want to know why? Because of recycling. People are not able, I live out here in the country, we don't have any kind of recycling service. So there is a plastic shortage, a PVC shortage, which is what our high tunnel is in. We're getting ready to place the next one, and it's already gone up, guys. The prices have already gone up. So if you could just grow your own food. Oh, wait, we are growing our own food, and we are going to be making our own pickles, as I do every year with our cucumbers that are growing. Burger King hasn't even been able to release their spicy chicken or their chicken sandwich because of the pickle shortage. Isn't that incredible? So growing your own food, I'm not going to say, oh, it's easy peasy. It is a lot of work, but guys, there's a lot of self-satisfaction in knowing what you're pulling out of your garden and knowing that you have food out there ready to pick and ready to eat, and it's healthy for you and your family. I made a gardening video several years ago telling you what I grow and why I choose to grow it. And a lot of that revolved around what was going on in the marketplace. At that time, we could get celery or potatoes at a very reasonable price, so we did not grow them. We chose to grow things that are a little bit more expensive, like our tomatoes, like our cucumbers, peppers. All of these seem to be a little bit more expensive than your celery, which was 99 cents, and your bag of potatoes, which was $1.99. That's all changing. So you're going to want to start evaluating, again, what you're growing in your garden, and try to make up for what you know you and your family are going to eat. So the global market has changed, and I think it's going to continue to change, and so you need to be as prepared as you possibly can. I do encourage each of you to get out there and start planting a garden. We did a great video yesterday on wicking tubs on how you in apartments, you who just want to patio grow, can grow some beautiful fruit and beautiful vegetables on your patio with limited space. So can you grow your own food? Yes, you can. It doesn't matter where you live. You can do a raised bed. You can do a conventional garden. If you have the time and the effort and maybe a little bit of money you want to put into it, you can do a high tunnel. Just put your things in the ground. There's various ways you can grow your own food. Try those wicking tubs out, guys. They are brilliant and they work. So be sure and hit that subscribe button so you can follow us and find out what we're growing, how we're fertilizing it, what works for us, what doesn't work for us. And be sure and hit that little like button when you do hit that subscribe button up in the right hand corner so you know when I post a new video. So it's time to get back to work here, growing our own food and getting ready and getting prepared for whatever the global market or comes our way. We are getting as prepared as possible, and you should too. Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend.